Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School Vasai. Myself Shikta Pethe, French teacher. This is a video for class 7th, chapter number 5, Quel temps fait-il? Part 2. So let's begin. In continuation with the chapter, we'll be learning the vocabulary. Avoir chaud is to feel hot. Now, as I told you that in French we make use of avoir to show the feeling. Okay, so there are certain expressions there that are used with the verb avoir instead of être. Means like I am hot, I am feeling hot. It's not been said that you have to say that I feel hot. So when it is avoir chaud, to feel hot, avoir envie de, and when it is d apostrophe, the word which starts with a vowel, so it is to have a desire of. Avoir faim, to feel hungry. Avoir froid, to feel cold. Avoir mal, to have pain. Avoir 11 ans, to be 11 years of old. Avoir peur, to be afraid. Avoir raison, to be correct. Avoir soif, to feel thirsty. Avoir sommeil, to feel sleepy. Avoir tort, to be wrong. Faire une crêpe, to make a pancake. Now when they are making certain things like doing the cooking or doing something, so that time they make use of the expression or the verb they make use of is faire. So here it is faire une crêpe, meaning what? To make a pancake. Faire une erreur, to make a mistake. Faire de la natation, to do swimming. Faire a picnic is to go for picnic. Faire une promenade, to go for a walk. Faire une sieste, to take a nap. Faire un voyage, to go for a trip. Il fait chaud, the weather is hot. Il fait froid, the weather is cold. Now as I told you, when it is j'ai chaud means I am feeling hot, and when it is faire, il fait chaud, that time faire they make use of the faire is being used when you are describing the weather. So it is whenever it is il fait froid, that time the weather is being used, and when it is j'ai chaud or j'ai froid, that means I am feeling cold. Got it? So it is il fait chaud, here is the weather is hot. Il fait froid, the weather is cold. Il fait jour means it is day. Il fait nuit, it is night. L'automne is autumn. L'été summer. L'hiver winter. Le printemps spring. L'imperméable is the raincoat. La saison season. Le ciel sky. Le parapluie is umbrella. Le vent is wind. Les gens is people. Briller, to shine. Chanter, to sing. Jouer, to play. Neiger, to snow. Tomber, to fall. Do and do's. Now do and do's, when it is masculine you are going to make use of deux, and when it is feminine douce. It's an adjective, so it means soft, or you can say sweet also. Okay, when you are saying that elle est douce or il est doux, means what? He is sweet or she is sweet. Sweet in what sense? When you are saying that cuteness. Quel temps fait-il? How is the weather? Now students, this is an activity. Yes, now as for the year you have to do one activity, correct? So this will be the activity given to will be assigned to you all. Now in this, what are you going to do? You can take help of the all definitions that have been given here, the description they have done about the seasons, so make use of all those seasons, and you have to take out the pictures. You can draw or you can take out the pictures. Similar means which is related to the weather. For example, say over here what it is, say l'été. Okay, so you have to describe, you have to put on the pictures of the summer, and you have to describe what is been done in the month of summer. So you can make use of your imagination, and presentation will be up to you. So it can be in the form of chart, you can make it in the form of what we say, the full scape paper, okay, and that should be sent to me in the PDF. So I will be giving you a 1 month of time for that. So you have to prepare the activity on les saisons, clear, on the seasons. So this will be a activity. You can take the pictures and you have to mention all possible things, the matter you know. Clear? Okay, moving on to the exercise. J'achète une nouvelle robe. Now acheter is the verb, as I told you. Er, it's a er verb. Normally er verb, so regular verb, the verb, but there is a slight change, that is you are putting a grave accent on every subject pronoun that is being conjugated except the nous and vous. Les cours, now le cours. I'm sorry, here le cours. So your answer will be here COMMENCE. Yeah? I'm sorry, le cours, because we are talking about the class. So answer is COMMENCE. There is a, yes, there is a change in it. Il fait beau. Nous commençons notre travail. Commencer, now we are conjugating it according to the nous form. So as I told you, when it is in nous form, you have to give the cédille beneath C. Les femmes, since it is plural, les femmes font le ménage. Ils achètent un nouvel appartement and vous faites une promenade. Now these are certain expressions that are being used with the help of the avoir verb, that is avoir soif, that is j'ai soif, j'ai bois de l'eau. Avoir raison, tu as raison, c'est un beau marché, means you are correct, it's a good deal. Avoir peur means il a peur des animaux sauvages, means he is afraid of the wild animals. Nous avons chaud, nous mangions une glace. We are feeling hot, we eat an ice cream. Vous avez sommeil, you have the means you are sleepy. Vous vous couchez tôt means you sleep early. Remplissez les blancs avec les expressions de faire. Now nous allons au jardin, nous faisons du jardinage. Je parle un pullover, il fait froid. En automne, il fait du vent. Ma mère fait du gâteau. Tu vas à la piscine, tu fais de la natation. Now according to the subject pronoun, you have to conjugate the verb faire and you have to put down the certain expressions. Okay, now this is again a homework for you all. You have to just relate, for example, le printemps, what is there in the printemps, le vent est doux, then les oiseaux chantent. So these all things according to the things that has been discussed in the chapter, you have to relate the things according to the weather. You have to match the column over here. Got it? Now répondez aux questions. Il y a combien de jours dans une semaine nommée? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Ils sont lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Il y a combien de mois dans une année nommée? Means there are how many months in a year. In a year, il y a 12 mois dans une année. Ils sont janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Donnez les 4 saisons. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne et l'hiver sont les 4 saisons. Now faire, acheter, commencer, sauter. These are all verbs that are given in the textbook. So you can just copy it down, as well as even in the cahier or the méthode de français, the second book you are having. In that I have mentioned. Okay, and sauter is a ER verb. You can just conjugate it according to the ER form. Got it? Now, choisissez la bonne réponse, that is il pleut en automne, il neige au hiver, les gens portent les vêtements en laine, that is en hiver, on mange des pommes en hiver, le vent est doux en printemps. Got it? Now this is the écouter part. So I'll be sharing the video with the other book as well, having the exercises. That will be easier for you. If you have the video, you can learn it easily. Okay, so till then, au revoir.